Hello! Kumusta ka mga tanan? Subong tilawan ta ang fixed chocolate, ang Kanafa chocolate nga viral sa TikTok subong. Nan, daw nami siya tanawon no? Pero try naton kung manami gid man siya. Try this. Grabe yung birthday oh.
I never tried it. Wow! You buy chocolate like that.
You never tried it before?
Yeah.
Oh, you can try it now. Ang kolor bala sang pistachio daw kilala mo gid kung sa uma ka nagdako no? Nan. Oh, honest review. What's the honest review?
Oh, wow.
Okay. What's the honest review? Good? Nothing? Nothing or nothing? No, be careful, oh. Not bad. Not bad. So, after mo na tilawan, anong verdict?
Bale, hype lang siya sis. Promise. Mas manami pa. Hindi man ako ang iyang chocolate. Daw Galaxy, daw Cadbury. Pero hindi mo siya sang grabe na makaiba. Iba lang iya itsura eh. Ang the fellow countryman kabayan na naman na nagtira sang
nadali.
Sa price nilang around 68 to 75 dirhams, which is around 900 to 1K. I ain't gonna pay.